considering selling your historic home, you know it's not just a property, it's a piece of history. At History Loves Company, we understand the importance of preserving and sharing the stories that make your home special. Our approach to selling historic homes is all about storytelling. We highlight the unique features and the rich history of your property, connecting with buyers who appreciate its charm and significance. From professional photography that captures every detail to customized marketing strategies that emphasize your home's story, we make sure your listing stands out. We don't just sell homes, we share their legacies, and we find buyers who will cherish and continue that legacy. Let us help you share your home's story. Contact us today to learn more about our specialized marketing strategies for historic properties.